Hi, good morning my dear students. Welcome to your English Literature online classes. Students, in previous session you studied synonyms and antonyms. I hope you have learned them thoroughly. Today you are going to study phonics junction and grammar junction. But before we start, I want you to do one correction in your book. So first take out page number 10, common noun and proper noun. Now children, in page number 10, there is a printing mistake in your book. Okay? Apple. Apple is a common noun. It's correct. But fruit is not a proper noun. Fruit is also a common noun. Okay? Because proper noun is the special name given to a particular person, place, animal or thing. And it always begins with the capital letter. Remember children, proper noun always begins with a capital letter. And here fruit, can you see F is in small letter. Yes? So fruit is also a common noun, not proper noun. So children, it's a printing mistake in the book. Do one thing, you just cut it this. Cancel this question, both. Okay? Cancel it. No need to learn this. No need to learn this. Okay? Don't learn this one. Okay? Don't learn this one. Apple and fruit, no need. Apple is correct, no doubt. Common, it's a common noun. But fruit is not a proper noun. Fruit is not a proper noun. It's also a common noun. Okay. So it's a printing mistake in your book. Okay. So please cut this both. Okay. Cut this both. Okay. Phonic junctions. Read these lines from the poem. Candy that isn't sweet. A bus without a seat. Now children, can you see this E? The letters double E in the word sweet and the letters EA in the word seed are pronounced in the same way. Sweet and the letters CEA. They are pronounced the same way, no? It's a long E. It's a long E. Sweet E. Seed E. It's a long, na? Long E. Isn't it? Now read these words. Reach, feel, he. In these words, the letters EA, IE and single E are also pronounced the same way as double E and EA. Okay? Now once again, say children, sweet E, seed E, read E, feel E, he. See, long. It's the same way, no? They are pronounced the same way, no? They have different spelling, but they have the same vowel sound. See? Spellings, can you see the spellings? They are different, no? They are different, but the pronunciation is same. The same vowel sound. E, long E vowel sound. Long E vowel sound. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. You all know children, they are A, E, I, O and U. How many vowels are there children in English alphabet? I hope you have learnt in class 1. They are A, E, I, O, U. Once again children, A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 vowels. Okay? Okay, now turn the page. Now children, page number 20. Now see these columns. Can you see? Double E, EA, IE, E, E-Y. These are all letters, isn't it? These are all letters. Now, let's read. Queen, tree, sea, bee, free, need, seek, leak, cheek, feet. Children, you also repeat. Queen, tree, sea, bee, free, need, seek, leak, cheek, feet. Okay? So, these are long E vowel sound. Long E vowel sound. Isn't it? Long. Yes or no, children? These are all long. So, children, these are the words which have the same long E sound. Long E sound. Isn't it? Now, next is EA. EA. Now, let's start. Read, beat, leaf, creature, peach, tea, beak, team, dream, cream. So, here also long E sound. Yes, long E sound. Okay? Once again, repeat. Reach, beach, leaf, creature, peach, tea, beak, team, dream, cream. Okay, it's a long E sound. Long E sound. Now, come to the this column. IE. IE. Feel, chief, mischief, belief, relief, movie, brief, peace, hygiene, diesel. Here also, you have noticed these words are having long E sound. Long vowel E sound. No? Once again repeat. Feel, chief, mischief, belief, relief, movie, brief, peace, hygiene, diesel. So these are all having the long vowel E sound. No? Long E sound. Now come to the fourth column. Only single E. He, we, she, me, even, female, legal, evil, be, even. Here also see, children, it's a long E sound. Long E sound. Isn't it? Remember, children, if the E is there in the beginning, if suppose two letters are there, like double E, E, A, I, E, see E is there in the beginning, so that letter will sound only E. Okay? Only the first letter will sound. Here E, 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 A is silent. E, I, E, E. So, remember, children, when the two letters come together, the first letter will make a sound. Okay, first letter. Okay, now see. Let's repeat. He, we, she, me, even, female, legal, evil, be, even. First letter will make the sound. Okay. Now here EY. EY. See? But the first key, donkey, monkey, money, honey, chimney, gui, hockey, valley, joy. So children, have you seen? All these words having a long E sound. Isn't it? Long E sound. Yes? Long E sound. Okay? So remember, children, if the first letter is E, then the sound will be E. Okay? Remember. Okay? Now let's do this exercise. Complete the words with the double E, E, A, I, E or E, Y. Okay? So here you have to complete these words. Now can you see the picture here? What is this, children? What is this? This is money. So M-O-N-E-Y. Money. What is the spelling of money? M-O-N-E-Y. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. This is the... Now, see the next picture, children. What is this? Can you tell what is this? This is donkey. Donkey. What is the spelling of donkey? D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Here also E-Y will come. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Now, see this picture. What is this, children? Can you tell what is this? This is P. What is the spelling of P? P-E-A-P. What is the spelling of P? P-E-A-P. Now, see this picture, children. What is this? This is valley. What is this, children? This is valley. What is the spelling of valley? V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. This is valley. Okay. Now, see this picture, children. What is this? What is this? Can you tell? Beach. Beach. Now, spelling of beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Now, see this picture. What is this, children? This is field. Field. What is the spelling of field? F-I-E-L-D. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Now, see this picture, children. Can you tell what is this? Queen. Queen. Spelling of queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Now, this picture, children, can you tell? What is this? What is this? This is leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Money, donkey, P, valley, beach, field, queen, leaf. Okay? Spelling of money, M-O-N-E-Y, money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. And what is the spelling of donkey, children? Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. P, P-E-A-P. P-E-A-P, valley. V-A-A-E-Y, valley. V-A-E-E-Y, valley. What is the spelling of beach? B-E-A-C-H, beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Spelling of field? F-I-E-L-D, field. F-I-E-L-D, field. And what is the spelling of queen? Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And spelling of leaf is L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Listen to a few words. Write the correct spelling in your notebook. Read the words aloud. So leave it. Okay? Leave this. Cross. Put cross sign here. Grammar junction. Read these lines from the poem. A king without a queen, a garden without seeds. The word seeds is the plural of the word seed. So children, seeds is the plural of the word seed. King, queen and garden are singular nouns. So king, garden and queen. These three words are singular noun and seeds is a plural noun. Okay. We have already learned about the singular and plural nouns. Yes, you have already learned about singular and plural nouns. What is a singular noun? A noun that is the name of a one person, place or animal or thing is called a singular noun, and a noun that names more than one person, animal or thing is called a plural noun. So children, singular noun is a noun that names one person, place, animal or thing. And plural noun is a noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing. Yes. We add S to form the plural of the most nouns. So most nouns, children, you will see that only S is added to form the plural noun. Okay. Let's see the examples. Singular noun, plural noun, singular noun, plural noun. Now singular noun, toy, toys. Can you see? S is added. S is added. Can you see? Flower, flowers. Yes? See? Only S is added to form the plural noun. Yes? You have to add only S to form the plural nouns. Can you see? Toy, toys, flower, flowers. Okay? Now, eyes, lamp, lamp. Can you see? S is added at the end. At the end, which letter is added? S. Yes? Here also see in the lamp, lamps. S is added at the end. So, to form the plural nouns, what you have to add, children? S. S. To most of the nouns, you have to add S to form the plural noun. Okay, these are the example. Toy, toys, flower, flowers, eyes, lamp, lamps. Okay, in most of the noun, you see only S is there at the end. At the end, you will find only S is there. Okay, that is plural noun. To form the plural noun, what you have to do, children? In most of the nouns, you have to add only S to form the plural noun. Okay. Next is, some plural nouns are formed by adding ES. Now, children, in some nouns, you see, ES is there. Okay. If a noun ends in S, now, children, this is very important. If the noun ends in S, only single S, double S, SH, CH, X or X, we add ES to make it plural. Remember, children, when you find the nouns end in these letters S, double S, SH, CH, Z or X, we add ES to form it plural. So, these are the letters you find in the end. If you find these letters there, if you find these noun ends in S, double S, SS, CH, Z or X, we add ES to make it plural. So, if you find these nouns ends in these letters, can you see these letters? So, when these are there at the end, what you are going to do, you have to add ES to form the plural nouns. Remember, children, if the noun ends in S, double S, SS, CH, Z or X, what you have to do, you have to add ES to make it plural. What you have to do, children, you have to add ES. Remember, okay, you have to add ES to make it plural. Example, singular noun, plural noun, singular noun, plural noun. Dress, dresses, toothbrush, toothbrushes, fox, foxes, beach, beaches. Now, children, notice here, see there, dress, dresses. Have you noticed? Dress, dresses. Now, see here, see at the end, you see double S is there, no? Double S, see the spelling, D-R-E-S-S, double S is there. So, if double S comes, what you are going to add? ES. Okay? Remember, children, if the noun ends in double S, what you are going to add? ES. If the noun ends in double S. If it ends in double S, what you are going to add, children? You have to add ES. Here also, if the noun ends in SH, here, SH, what you are going to add? ES. What are you going to add? Yes. Now, fox. See the fox? X. So, if the noun ends in X, what you are going to add? ES. What are you going to add, children? ES to form the plural noun. Yes? And if the noun ends in CH, what you are going to add? ES. CH. Here also see CH. So, remember, children, if the noun ends in the S, double S, SS, CH or X, we add ES to make it plural. Okay? Remember, these S, double S, SS, CH, Z or X, if it comes at the end of the noun, what you're going to do, you have to add ES to make a plural. To make it plural, what you're going to do, you have to add ES. Remember. Always remember. Okay? Just see if the noun ends in double S, S, SS, CH, Z or X, you have to add ES. Examples are there. See here in dress, double S is there. So you have to add ES. Here in toothbrush, see SH is there. So you have to add ES. In fox, X is there. So you have to add ES. In beach, you see CH is there. So you have to add ES. Okay. Now turn the page. If a noun ends in Y and there is a consonant before the Y, we change the Y to an I and then add ES. If there is a vowel before the Y, we only add S. So children, now in some noun you see Y is there. At the end you see Y is there. And before the Y, if you see consonant is there, then what you have to do, you have to change the Y to I and then add ES. Okay? Remember, if the noun ends in Y and there is a consonant before the Y, remember if the noun ends in Y, okay, and there is a consonant before the Y, then what you have to do, you have to change the Y into IES. Okay, you have to change the Y into IES. Remember, if there is a Y, in the noun, if there is a Y at the end, and if there is a consonant before the Y, what you have to do, you have to change the Y into IES. Remember, okay, you have to change the Y into IES. And suppose if there is a vowel before the Y, what you have to do, then you don't have to do any changes, only you have to add S. Remember, okay, if there is a consonant before the Y, then change the Y into IES. And if there is a vowel before the Y, only add S. This is the rule, children. Remember, this is a very important rule. Okay, this is the rule. If there is a if there is a consonant before the Y, remember, if there is a consonant before the Y, then what you have to do? You have to change the Y into IES. And if there is a vowel before the Y, then you have to add only S. That's all. You don't have to make any changes. Only you have to add S. Okay. Now, let's see the examples. Singular noun, plural noun. Lady, ladies. Now, can you see? Now, see the spelling. L-A-D-Y. L-A-D-Y. Now, before the Y, which letter? Which one is this? G is consonant or vowel? Which one is this? This G is a consonant. Yes, D is consonant, no? Because there are only 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters are consonants. So D is a consonant here. So if consonant comes before the Y, what you have to do? You have to change the Y into IES. Remember, children, if there is a consonant before the Y, you have to change the Y into IES. See, first you have to remove the Y and then write in place of Y, you have to write IES. Can you see the spelling? L-A-D-I-E-S. See, Y is missing here. Yes? So, in the place of Y, what you have to write here? IES. If there is a consonant, remember, if there is a consonant before the Y, remember, okay, it's a rule. It's a rule. If there is a consonant before the Y, you have to change the Y into IES. Clear? Now, see here, singular, plural, donkey, donkeys. Now, which one is this? E. E is a vowel or consonant? Which one? E is a vowel. Yes, E is vowel, no? So, if there is a vowel before the Y, what you have to do? You have to just add S. You don't have to make any other changes. Only what you have to do, you have to add S. That's all. Only you have to add S to make it plural. Okay? So remember, children, if there is a consonant before the Y, you have to change the Y into IES. And if there is a vowel before the Y, you have to add only S. For most words that end in O, we add S. To some words, we add ES. Now, if the noun ends in O, okay, if the noun ends in O, okay, if the noun comes, if the O comes at the end of the noun, so what you are going to do, sometimes you have to add S, and to some words you have to add ES. Remember, children, to some words what you have to add? S, only S, and to some words you have to add ES. Okay, okay. For example, singular noun, plural noun, singular noun, plural noun. Piano, pianos. Now, in piano, you have to add only S. Okay? Remember, children, you have to add only S. Okay? So, and see here, potatoes. Here potato, potatoes. Now in potatoes you see ES is there. In pianos only you have to add S, and potatoes you have to add ES. So some words that ends in O. Some words that ends in O you have to add S, and to some words you have to add ES. Okay? To some words you have to add S, and to some words you have to add ES. Remember, if the noun ends in O, in some words you have to add S, and to some words you have to add ES. Okay? Like piano, pianos, potato, potatoes. In pianos you see only S is there, no? Only S you have to add to make it plural noun. And potato you have to add ES to make it a plural noun. Okay? Now children, rest I'll explain in the next session. And then you will also write the exercises. Okay? Exercise 1 and exercise 2. I hope you have understood singular and plural noun till here. Okay? So today you have studied phonics and singular and plural noun. Today's homework is write and learn the complete words with double E, E, A, I, E or EY. So this is the homework. Okay, you have to write it and learn it also. Okay, so today's homework is write these words, complete these words. Okay, complete these words and learn it also thoroughly. Okay, learn it also. So today's homework, complete these words and learn it also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.